The Supreme Court don adjourn the judgment on top the legal fight wey concern Edo State governorship election matter until further notice. The highest court for Naija adjourn the judgment after dem hear argument from both sides, those wey support and those wey dey against the election wey produce Senator Okpebholo as the correct governor of Edo State. Justice Guber Lawan, wey be the judge wey sit down for the matter, come tok say the date for the judgment go later reach all the people wey dey involved. The appeal dey filed by Dr. Asuen Ighodalo and im party, People's Democratic Party (PDP), represented by their lawyer, Senior Advocate of Naija (SAN) Ken Moza. Im come yarn the Supreme Court say make dem cancel Okpebholo win and declare Ighodalo as the correct winner. E come tok say na im truly win the majority of correct votes, but say INEC no gree. However, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), represented by Kanu Agabi (SAN), come yarn the court say make dem throway the case and say Ighodalo and PDP first talk say the election no follow law at all, say e no comply with the Electoral Act of 2022. A court talk say e no make sense for them to first call the election illegal, then come still dey ask the court to make them winner of the same election. INEC come yarn say PDP and Ighodalo dey confused for the kind case wey dem bring and come urge the court to dismiss the case sake of say e no get head. After the court sitting, Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa come yarn to people say judiciary na the hope of the common man and na where correct justice dey always happen. E come salute the judges wey dem take grant fair hearing to all the parties involved and come yarn APC members say make dem still dey support, say light go shine at the end of the tunnel.
I want to thank the judiciary. It's the hope of the common man. We've gone through first stage, second stage, this is the third one. And it's not a news to us. We won the election clearly, but the opposition decided to drag us all the way to Supreme Court. But by the grace of God, the judgment has been reserved, and we are very, very hopeful that it's going to be in our favor.
Emperor Jared Tinebe, wey be APC chairman for Edo, come hail the party lawyers for their steady efforts to protect the party victory. While Stephen Okuro, wey be APC legal advisor, still follow talk, as he yarn tori people say make PDP accept the ruling of Court of Appeal, say Governor Okpebholo don come to stay, and APC dey sure say Supreme Court go still confirm their victory.
You know, the Supreme Court is always very brief when you come to matters of appeal. And the same thing that were canvassed at the Court of Appeal is the same thing that they are canvassing here. And it is clear, you heard our lawyers very clearly, that you cannot you must be consistent when you are filing anything in court. Consistency matters. And you cannot be in one breath saying that election is invalid and you are asking for you to be declared the winner of such an election. And when you heard all those arguments now, you don't need a rocket scientist to tell you where the pendulum is swinging. And I'm very convinced that our lawyers have done a very good job and that by the grace of God, I'm sure we'll get it there.
The matter came up this morning for them to adopt their final listening addresses, both the petitioners, or what we call the appellants, and respondents. Now, both parties, they have canvassed their issues, and the date now reserved for judgment. Now, what the rest appellants did was that they are challenging the judgment of the appeal court to say, oh, appeal court, people erred in upholding the cross petition of the governor. And so they looked at it and said, look, this is an issue that has to do with dumping materials, dumping of exhibits. And the court now said, well, at the Court of Appeal level, Court of Appeal now said it was just a mere academic exercise and their petition or their appeal was thrown out. Dissatisfied with this appeal or the appeal, the appellant, as the PDP, came back to the Supreme Court on same issues to canvass an issue that is a mere academic exercise. I don't know what they want the Supreme Court to do. Whether I go to manufacture other things from heaven, I don't know. So, but so far so good. We are good to go. APC is good to go. The government is good to go.
Meanwhile, the PDP members no gree follow tori people talk after the hearing. Dem waka comot court premises quietly as dem not happy with the outcome of the Supreme Court hearing. Make una not forget say, as we see am, Na so we dey tok am, we no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.